Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how you can install and download Google Chrome on your Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, as we already know that when we install a fresh copy of Windows 11 or Windows 10, what you can get as a default browser is Microsoft Edge. So just open that up. Now it might take some initial setup and it will ask you a couple of questions. So depending on if you're using it already or if you're a new user, you will see some different windows before you set it up. But that's pretty simple. You can just click accept and you are good to go, like I'm seeing right now. So click on I accept and just straight away go to google.com. Now, once you head over to google.com, one thing you will see on your right is Google recommend using Chrome. So you can just directly move from here as well. But if you don't see this, that's not a problem. Just write on the search Google Chrome, download, and it will show you this first link by google.com. Just click on that link. And here you can see this download Chrome button for Windows 11 or 10 or 64-bit. Now, if you're using some other like 32-bit or so you can just try out different settings here. But in my case, I'm using the Windows 64-bit operating system. Most of the people are using the same version. So let's click on this download button right here. And as we can see on our right that the download has started immediately. It is only of 9.9 MB. So it will be downloaded immediately. And then you have the option to open file from here, or you can just browse the folder to go in that particular folder. And here is your setup. So here is your setup. Just double click to open that up and click yes. Now, as you can see that it is downloaded and installing, and now it is installed. So now what you will see is sign into the Chrome. So what you can do is just sign in with your Google account so that it can remember all of your devices and it will be easier for them to back up your data, like save your bookmarks or passwords for more interactive experience. So you can do that as well. But if you just want to browse it for now, just click on don't sign in and set as default if you want to set as default. Now it is set up. Click got it. It will open up this default apps for Google Chrome. Just click on this make Google Chrome as your default browser. Now you will notice that immediately it will change it for some of them, but some of them need to be manually changed. For example, PDF is by default open as Microsoft Edge. If you want to change that, you can switch anyway by clicking on here, and you have to manually set it as default. And you can do that for a couple of other file extensions manually, and it will be completely set up on Google Chrome. Let's click on got it because it is showing this add privacy and other settings. Click on got it, and here is your Google Chrome copy installed. So that's pretty straightforward. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, just comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.